If you'd like to save yourself a couple bucks and make your car a lot faster, go to Pro EFI on their website. 15% off if you type in Desert SXS. So go there. Also, if you'd like a discount on Packard wheels or MTS Offroad suspension parts, we have them on our own website. Save yourself a couple bucks. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for watching.
Anything on two wheels and do a wheelie for miles.
We've made it to Coosburg. We are gonna enter the Wheelie contest. So here we go. We're gonna take a quick rip through the trees and head to the Wheelie Fest.
Takeover team ready. Spectators on the spectator side of the caution tape. Safety protocol. Brian, how we looking? Here we go. Brandon Roddick is second hit for Matt. Distance to beat 150. 175 feet to lead.
I don't know if Jared's gonna do that with your car.
Here we go. 96 feet.
Jared!
Up next is Jared. All right, John.
Second part.
237 feet. Let's get it.
Nice.
That last one you got way up. You went off when you got high?
Yeah, because I felt like I was going to the left. I felt like I was gonna hit something and roll me, you know?
Yeah. It's kind of weird too, because when I went up, I thought I was freaking going into the crowd, and I'm on my freaking rear bumper, and then I'm like, and then it falls away.
These wheelie things, they need to like give us so much more room. We can't see.
No, it's fucking flying, and it's weird coming at it and
And final run. Brandon Roddick. Here comes Will. Coming in hot. Here comes Dylan. 164 feet in a four-seater.
Four-seater, man. Third place. He ain't gonna be happy about that. I mean, with a four-seater, it's amazing, but is that one half decent?
160. Okay, we're good. They needed a jump box, but they got one for someone. Good work, brother. Good work.
160?
164.
What's the best? 200?
220. 237.
I got a long ways to go.
Yeah! Woo! Make some noise, I don't hear you. competition. I know he can do it. Let's make it happen. Let's get him back.
Hey, you don't see four-seaters wheeling very often. That's the first one I've ever seen.
Scared me enough that I let it off.
Yeah.
Out next, here comes Dallin.
I know.
183 feet.
Second! Yes!
Make some noise for Jared.
Broke. And so I borrowed a car from Sean from Pro EFI. First time driving it. Pretty good at wheelies though, but he has a pretty powerful car and I was able to carry it out and get pretty good distance. Just toy with it.
He said I'm pretty good at wheelies though. I love it, brother. I love it. Hope you guys are having a great time. Give it up for Jared.
Good job, Jared.
And I got Dallin here. He's got the four-seater, 186-foot wheelie and a four-seater. Make some noise for Dallin.
First day ever wheeling it, so it was awesome to try it for the first time.
What is happening right here? Are you guys just natural wheeliers?
Well, we got a Pro EFI on our car, so that helps.
Gangster, gangster. Oh, for both of them, they're out wheeling right now. So Dallin, 183 feet. Second place, first place,
I'm gonna be in trouble if I
237-foot wheelie, Jared. All right, step on both of them. Both Pro EFI cars. One borrowed a car, and the other one was a four-seater?
It's right here. You got it. Oh. You didn't get any of that.
I wonder how much I
these
got of that.
These are rough. These are rough.
It didn't feel rough.
Well, I know these feel good, dude.
It snapped it. No. No.
Not my selfie stick.
What selfie stick?